Hi all. So today let us go on with a small topic of stomata. Stomata is very important from examination point of view. Usually for 2 marks or 1 mark, usually it will be asked. So this is very important. So what is the stomata? So stomata is the nose of the plant. As you breathe, even the plant has to breathe in. It has to take in oxygen. So for taking in oxygen, they have small openings which are called stomata. So stomata are the tiny pores on the surface of the leaf. Tiny pores which are found on the surface of the leaf. So you might have observed the leaves many times, but we will not find any holes on the surface or any pores on the surface because these stomata are visible only under the microscope, So when you see the leaf, this side is called the upper surface and this is called the lower surface. So usually stomata will be more on the lower side of the leaf. There will be numerous stomata onto the lower side of the leaf. So what is the stomata and how it will look like under the microscope? Let us understand. So in order to see stomata under microscope, you can do a small experiment. What we will do, you can take a leaf, any leaf you can take, and what you have to do, we have to break the leaf and then slowly we should try to peel it off. Like from the back side, when you try, you get a very thin peel at the back side. So that peel, okay, so we will peel it at the back, okay, and then place it on a slide. Children, you might know what a slide looks like. So on the slide we will place the peel and you can add any of the stains like saffron in, we can add few drops and you will place the cover slip on that and then you will observe under the microscope. So when we observe under the microscope, the peel will show numerous stomata, and how stomata will look like is like this. So where is stomata here? So this pore that is there, this opening that is there, this is the region of stomata. So that is the region of the stomata which will be observed under the microscope. Then what are these structures that will be found? So these are what are called, they are called the guard cells. They are called the guard cells. So what is the function of these guard cells is, the guard cells basically are the one which will regulate the opening and closing of the stomata. So imagine that there are these guard cells are bean shaped or kidney shaped. So these two cells actually, when you pour water to the plant, what will happen? The guard cells will swell, and when they swell, they become heavy and they will, okay, help in opening the stomata. So when they become, okay, swollen like that, so because of the pressure inside, the stomata gets opened and, okay, the process of transpiration will take place. The stomata will get open when the guard cells are swollen. But if you are not giving water to the plant, what will happen? The stomata will get closed. Why it will get closed is, guard cells which are there, they become flaccid like that, loose like that, and they come close to each other, because of which the central opening called the stomata will be closed off. So there will not be any transpiration during that time. Okay, so this is how guard cells basically would help in regulation of the stomatal pore. Okay, so now coming to the very important concept of functions of stomata. What are the functions of stomata? There are two important functions of stomata. One is called gaseous exchange, other one is called transpiration. What is this gaseous exchange is, plants also has to respire. So during the process of respiration, they will take in oxygen, they will give out carbon dioxide, which will happen through the stomata. And also, if you remember, during photosynthesis, they take in carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen during photosynthesis. So these gases will get exchanged through the stomatal opening. So that's why the function is called gaseous exchange. So stomata would be helping in the process of the gaseous exchange. And one more important function is transpiration. What is transpiration? Evaporation of excess of water into the atmosphere, through the surface of the leaves. So this will be done with the help of the stomata. So plants are not at all selfish. So whatever water you are giving, very little they take, about 0.1% they absorb, remaining all they are leaving into atmosphere, because of which only we are getting rainfall. So plants are responsible for rainfall because of the phenomenon of transpiration which will happen through the stomata. Okay, so more the number of plants, more will be the rate of transpiration and better will be the rainfall. So we all should promote afforestation, not deforestation. Okay, so whatever may be the situation, we should try to protect the trees, not to be cut down. And also during your birthdays, your mom's birthday, your principal madam's birthday, or anybody's birthday, when it comes, you can wish, you can actually wish for giving a plant to the persons, whoever they are, whoever are celebrating their birthdays. You better give them with a plant, so that will be also helping in saving the environment. We get better rainfall, and you also know, children, they are the green lungs of the earth. Okay, so always we should promote afforestation. More the number of plants, healthy will be the environment and better will be the rainfall. Okay, and better will be the survival of all the organisms on the earth. So do remember these two functions of stomata, gaseous exchange and transpiration, which is very, very, very important from examination point of view. So hope you followed this small concept. Though the concept is small, but it is a compulsory question, a sure short question in the exam. So do remember it. It is very easy. As such, from 6th class onwards, we were learning about this topic. So hope you understood the topic easily. We will go on with the revision of the autotrophic nutrition once, okay, and then we proceed next to the heterotrophic nutrition.